morning to all of you. I am Shane Delara and I am here in front of you all to tackle what is the values and benefits you will gain and attain by being an academic achiever that is good at academics or being a sporty that is good at sport. Some people ask this question: is it better to be good at academics than in sports, or is it better to be good at sports than in academics? That is why I am going to answer that question for all of. But before that, I am going to analyze the importance of each of them. Academics. Academics is being good at academics will help you gain and expand your knowledge, develop critical thinking, and may help you for your future purposes. On the other hand, being good at sports can help you with your physical and mental health, establish teamwork, and improve your leaderships as well as enhance your social skills. So the question is it better to be good at academic than to be good at sports? Academic is a mental enhancement while also having physical actions along with it, while sports is also having mental skills and more physical activities. It could also be a preference of an individual to tell whether academics or sports is the most fitting for them. For most people, academics is valuable than the sports as it shows enhancement of skills, intellectual knowledge, and critical thinking. So the thing is, most people values academics than sports. Some sports requires physical actions that is not suited for everyone. Based on my research, there is 70% of people who values academics than sports. The 70% choose academics to be more aware for the future needs, like a better job, prospects, and higher salaries. In the end, academics offer more lasting opportunities for personal and professional growth than sports. While sports can provide temporary rewards, education provides the groundwork for a stable and successful future. In a rapidly changing world, academic achievement is the key to unlocking long-term potential and ensuring lasting success. In conclusion, while both academics and sports have their own benefits, many people believe that academics are more important. Academics help develop critical thinking, knowledge, and skills that can lead to better job opportunities and higher salaries in the future. Although sports can offer temporary rewards and physical benefits, education lays the foundation for long-term success and personal growth. Ultimately, focusing on academics is seen as the best way to prepare for a successful future.